Students to template 28 of the bridge course. The learning outcome of this template is the students will be able to write numbers in figures as well as in words. There are some instructions for teachers, parents and facilitators. So students, for this template you will have to read the story of standard 5th, The Golden Feather, textbook, page number 15 and 16. And after reading the story, the learners will underline the numbers they come across the story. So, let us do this activity. Now, we are going to read this story, The Golden Feather, and while reading, all the students should read carefully and try to point out the numbers in the story, the numbers which are mentioned in the story, and then we are going to underline it. So let us start the activity. The Golden Feather. One day, the queen was taking a walk in her garden when she found a big, beautiful golden feather. Then she met a little man. He said, "If you give me that feather, I will give you 3 big diamonds." "Sorry," said the queen. Then she met an old woman. The old woman said, "If you give me that feather." So students, in this part, how many numbers can you see? In the above part, we have underlined ONE1 and THREE 3. So these are the two numbers. Now we are going to see the remaining portion. Then she met an old woman. The old woman said, "If you give me that feather, I will give you a necklace of 21 pearls." "Sorry," said the queen. So, in this part, what number do you see? Yes, right students, 21. 21 is the number. Then the next part of the story. Then she met the king. The king said, "If you give me that feather, I will give you 99 gold coins." "Sorry," said the queen. So, in this part, we will underline 99. Now we are going to see the last part of the story. Then she met the little prince. He said, "Oh, mamma, what a bright, beautiful feather." "Take it, my dear," said the queen. "Keep it safe." So, students, we cannot find any numbers in this part. So, we will not underline any word. This was the activity. So, in the story, we came across many spellings. In the same way, you can read any story and try to underline the numbers which you come across. Now, learning activity, magic numbers. Write down the following figures in words. There are two figures given, 81 and 267. So we are going to write the following figures in words. Let us start. 81, EIGHTYONE 81. 267, TWO2 HUNDRED 100 AND SIXTY 60 and SEVEN 7. 267. The next part. Write the following numbers in figures. Now we have to write the following words in figures, okay? 84. So how will we write? 84
way,
and
write all the
707
in your
okay?
notebook.
So
For
students, write in
practice,
your
find the
notebook.
mystery numbers.
So students, you
Now,
already know the
there
numbers
are some mystery
and
numbers.
their
We have to
spellings from
find
1
the
to
mystery
100.
numbers
But
with
now
the help
big
of the
numbers
description.
and in words.
6 in
So
the
100,
thousand
1000,
place,
10,000,
2 in the
a
tens place,
100,000, 1 lakh,
8 in the hundreds
a
place, and
million or
1
10
in the
lakh
ones place.
and 10
So what
million
will be the
or
number?
1 crore.
So we'll start
these
from
are the
ones
numbers
place.
and
Okay?
the spellings of those numbers. Copy the following numbers from the chart in your notebook. See, so in this way we have to copy it below. This is the number 6821. The next number 2 in the hundreds place, 9 in the ones place, 3 in the thousands place, 1 in the tens place, 3219. This is the number. Copy it down in your notebook. Students, this is the number chart. It is from 1 to 100. See the chart and find out the following from the number chart and write it in words as well as in figures. So, there are some questions given. Seconds in a minute. So, it is in figures and words. Hours in a day, days in a week, years in a century, and half century. So, we have to write all these questions, the answers of these questions in figures and words. So, let us start. Seconds in minute 60, hours in a day 24, days in a week 7, years in a century 100, and half century 50. So all these answers are in figures and words. After doing this activity, there is an evaluation activity. Try to find out these numbers around you in the other lessons of your textbook. There is a number puzzle, so this activity you have to do, students. Okay, you have already understood the activity, and now this is the evaluation activity. So what did you learn today, students? To write numbers in figures as well as in words. So all of you should write numbers from 1 to 1 crore with the help of the given activity in words. Okay, thank you very much.